Son of a... You guys, this car smells so much worse than you even think. I told this dude 3 weeks ago, I said, sir, you have to put new interior in this car. This has been detailed, you guys. Sitting on a car lot, Toyota dealership, for sale. You know what? I forgot to show you something. But wait, there's more. Fun. Love stuff like that. Look, it's not even clean in there. Oh, thank God the headliner's not bad. I just thought you guys might like those. Thought you guys would like to see my misery. Anyway, I'll get back to this and show you how it turns out. Alright, you guys, I've been tag teaming this with my buddy all day, off and on, as we do other things, because this is just too big. This is too much, more than I like to do. Still a little dirty down there, but suede just looks dirty when you move it funny. Yeah, anyways. This camera works so good. Hole repair. Siggy burns. You can see them a little bit to the camera there. Dog hair, headliner stains. It did have some stains. The burns aren't quite done yet either. Up there. Yeah, anyways, I'm gonna finish this up. I'm at the end of my patience with this car, and I'm trying to win an award here. So as soon as we get those done, those burns patched up. Oh yeah, here's the door. Saw me heat gunning that. There's a couple holes in it, but I can't do everything on this car or cars like this to the best of my ability. I'll lose. So, you know, I'm gonna solve the problem of making it's not sellable like it was. Now it is. Problem solved. I'm parking it. All right, guys. At risk of being a hack, I'll let you see that. It's good. Parking it. It's a little bit light in the camera, but standing here in person, it looks pretty amazing. there's no, you know, substitute for a good detail to begin with, you guys. This car would have been so much better if had I received it with a good detail already done on it. Anyway, peace. Hey, I just went looking for this Camry. It's been 7 days since I did the makeover. And I just wanted to take a look at it and see if there's anything I missed that I couldn't live with, you know. Anyway, it's gone. Somebody bought that thing within a couple days. So problem solved. I'll never see it again, I bet. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed.